Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we are going to be placing the sections learnt together to form the routine to the song Wellerman. So, let's begin. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the videos Wellerman Routine Section 1 for beginners and Wellerman Routine Section 2 for beginners that is up on the channel already to learn the sections in more detail. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we are going to be starting with the right leg first, performing Section 1 of the routine. Perfect. From here we have section 2 of the routine, like so. Perfect. Then we move back to section 1 of the routine. And finally, we perform section 1 one more time, like so. Perfect! If you want to perform this routine with music, we start tapping at around 1 minute and 52 seconds, just before the chorus. Now, let's perform the routine together from the beginning. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to be starting with the right leg first, performing section 1 of the routine, like so. Perfect! So there you have it, the Wellerman routine for a beginner's level.